it's Mina again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make stir-fried shredded pork with bamboo shoots. So here are the ingredients that we need to make this kind of dish. What we need is 1.5 pounds of pork loin or tenderloin, and we just have to cut pork into shreds like the size of a matchsticks or a thinly slice. And then I'm gonna show you later how to marinate your shredded pork. And we also need a can of bamboo shoots. It could be fresh or the one in the can. It doesn't matter. And then we also need like 20 dried wood ears. And then to soften your wood ears, we just have to soak it into warm water until soft and expanded. And then we're gonna remove and drain and then shred it later on. And then we also need like 1 tablespoon of bean paste. So I bought this bean paste in Korean store or Asian store. It doesn't matter what kind of brand you may want to use. And then we also need a tablespoon of chili paste. Again, I bought it in Asian market or Korean store, and whatever brand you may want to use. And then we also need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We need 2 tablespoons of mirin, 3 tablespoons of water, and then we also need like 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion, and then 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger root, and then 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. We also need 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and then 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. We need 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and then 4 teaspoons of sugar. And we also need, of course, the cooking oil. Okay, let's marinate the shredded pork. We have this shredded pork, and then mix it with 6 tablespoons of water, and then 2 teaspoons of rice wine, and then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we're gonna mix everything together. And then we're gonna put the 4 teaspoons of cornstarch, and let it sit for an hour, maybe 30 minutes to an hour before we fry them. So let's fry the meat shreds. We're gonna fry it into over medium heat until change in color. So when you see there's no the color is not pink anymore, that's the time we're gonna remove the shred pork and drain the excess oil. And then we're just gonna put it on the side. And then leave 3 tablespoons of cooking oil into the pan, and then we're gonna stir fry the ginger, the garlic until fragrant. When you smell all the aroma, and then we're gonna put the bean paste, and then the chili, Then mix everything together until you get all the flavor of the chili and the bean paste to ginger and garlic. And then add the green onions. And then we're gonna put in the bamboo shoots. And then of course we're gonna mix everything together, and then we're going to put the wood ears, the dried wood ears that we soak into the water. And then add the pork shreds that we put on the side, the one that we fried. And then toss lightly. And then we're gonna put the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then the rice wine. The 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And then the sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And sugar. That's 4 teaspoons of sugar, by the way. And then the 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And then mix everything together. And lastly, we're gonna put the 3 tablespoons of water. Just keep stirring so that the flavor will, will all go together. Okay, so and then cover for 1 minute, then it's done. So I think it's time to serve. Let's put it in a serving plate and then serve with steamed rice if you wanted steamed rice, or you can just eat it by itself. I hope you like the menu for today and hope you try this menu. And thanks for watching, everyone.